Hey everybody, it's Neo. Welcome to my kitchen. And I am far, far, far from a pro pickleball player, but I had bought this super cheap, like $10 set on Amazon earlier, and it was kind of crap, I guess. So I went ahead and bought a better one here. This one here is by niupipo. And there it is. That's what it looks like on the outside. And I'll open this up for y'all. Sorry about all the reflections. I have the ring light on. But we'll check this thing out. So there we go. And this is the bag for it. It's kind of cool. It comes in its own little bag, and this is going to be a set of 4 of these paddles, I think, in here. So very cool set for nice and convenient to carry around. And let's check it out. So here we go. We're going to open this up, and you can put, it's got a little pouch here for stuff too. That's good. It comes with, looks like it's got 4 balls in there. Got 2 yellow ones and 2, I don't know, are they red? I'm colorblind, so you guys can put in the comments what color these are. Okay, so it comes with 4 of the wiffle balls that you use. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 paddles. And we got grips. And we have, what is this here? Oh, I guess this is all the specification information. So if you're interested in all the super details of it, you can look at this here. So let's check out these paddles and see how they compare to the other ones. Actually, where are my other ones? I don't even know, I'm not throwing them away. But okay, so let's check these out here. I'll just open up one of them here. Okay, so here's one. And so let's check it out, and I'll tell you guys what the problem was with my old ones. Oh, here, let's take this. Okay, so this is it's like way nicer. I guess it's like a composite material of some sort on here. My other one was the same kind of material, but the band around it, like you see this one here is a band. I think the super expensive, like you're gonna buy like a $250 one. They won't even have the band on it, but pretty much anything else that you buy is gonna have those. But this one here, it's got a nice squishy grip. The other one had a hard grip, and the other one, this plastic strip around here was very loose. So this one here is solid on here. It's a very solid piece. It doesn't jiggle or ring. Let's see. And so if you know what it's supposed to sound like, that's what it sounds like when I'm doing it. So it looks cool, and it's a niupipo. And then we have, what was this? Those things here. So it comes with, I guess, 4 of these grips that you can put on. I think they're all different colors. I mean, you guys can look and see. Yeah, it looks like this one and this one might be different colors. I'm colorblind, so just going like that. So, but okay, so that's it. And then these are, I guess, grips you can wrap around this, but it seems like it's got a good grip to start with, so probably good enough for that. Maybe if you want it thicker for some reason, I don't know, my hand doesn't reach all the way around even. If you want it thicker, I guess you could probably put more of these things around it. Not exactly sure, but it seems cool. I'm excited to go pickleballing now. I'm gonna have to go find somebody to play with, but maybe the kids will want to play later or something like that. But it seems cool, and the balls are just the regular wiffle balls. Seem as strong as anything. It's kind of cool. They have a little label on it, so you know they made a nice little set here. So this is a nice set, and this is the MX-07 is the paddle on this one here. You can see the model right there. And it says, what else? It's got the little logo on the bottom, but this is it. So it seems pretty cool to me. I'm gonna say thumbs up from this. I like it. And I'm gonna go play some pickleball soon. So hopefully I'll give you guys comments I'll put a comment down below once I play and let you know how it is. But I am absolutely no pro whatsoever, so I don't even know if I'm gonna, that's it. I played a little bit of tennis, but not pickleball. Okay, but thanks for watching. The link is in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks, bye.